Hello friends, today in this video I'll show you how to fix this problem where it says your device is having problems with your Oracle school account. So let's see how to fix this. So just click on sign in. Then it will ask you to put a password on the Oracle school account that you are connected. So basically you just need to sign in. So once you put the password, just click on sign in. And then do your authentication code. So once you do that, the error message will go away. So that's the pretty much solution for this problem. Hope your problem is fixed too. So if you like my content, please don't forget to like, subscribe my channel, since it will help me to make another videos as well. Thank you for watching my videos. I'll see you in another video. Thank you.